the fitness industry, and Instagram influencers. Hi, I'm Olivia Seminara, and I'm a soon-to-be graduate of Western Washington University with a Bachelor of Science in Kinesiology Pre-Healthcare. During my time in college, I've noticed the prevalent number of students drooling over social media influencers promoting weight loss plans and workout programs, with many of them being led to starving themselves or getting exercise-induced injuries. One of my close friends began to take unsafe weight loss pills and skipped meals because she wanted to look like the women on her Instagram feed. These alarming situations led me to take a closer look into Instagram's health and fitness industry. Recently, due to the COVID-19 crisis, gyms have closed down and many avid exercisers are left to their own devices, literally. Thousands of people are looking to their phones for social media accounts that can lead their fitness journeys in the right direction. While scrolling through my own Instagram, I thought to myself, wow, these people are beautiful, fit, and have amazing lives. But due to Instagram being a photo and video sharing app, we are only seeing snapshots into these fitness influencers' lives, and that is the dangerous part. We all deserve a workout that does not compromise our mental health in the process. Instagram influencers have a huge follower base, which allows them to reach thousands upon millions of people. Here are some examples. Jeff Seed, 3.9 million, Jen Selter, 12.8 million, Kayla Itsines, 12.5 million, Simeon Panda, 6.5 million. Reaching so many people can be positive in some ways, but can go wrong very quickly when influencers become involved in health and fitness branding. I've broken down the dangers into 4 categories: doing it for the money, deceptive photos, unhealthy products, and fitness for the masses. Let's start with doing it for the money. Most influencers begin with having pure intentions for their followers, wanting them to gain confidence to build a healthy lifestyle. Unfortunately, when money is offered through branding and sponsorships, the well-being of followers tends to go by the wayside. Users with more than 1 million followers, such as the influencers I introduced earlier, can make more than $100,000 or up to $250,000 per sponsored post, according to a 2018 Fox report. Goodbye, pure intentions. Another leading issue in fitness marketing are the deceptive photos. Many of you have seen fit celebrities and fitness influencers with beautiful glowing tanned skin, toned bodies, huge muscles, and perfect drips of sweat. Rarely are any of these images untouched and unedited. Several influencers have hired editors that Photoshop their images to convince their audience. Filters can create an entirely new ambiance to highlight muscles in the gym environment. Photo angles can create a slimmer waist, larger glutes, and any other desirable traits that influencers would like to be enhanced. So take it as a grain of salt. Not every photo is what it seems. Next, we have unhealthy products. One policy that Instagram states that ads cannot promote deceptive, false, or misleading claims like those relating to the effectiveness or characteristics of a product or service, setting unrealistic expectations for users such as misleading health, employment, or weight loss. A company named Total Life Changes is widely known for making these types of deceptive claims such as follows. Liposuction in a bottle gently flushes toxins, parasites, and the intestinal sludge out of the body, enhances clarity and mood, suppresses appetite, and burns fat. One capful is equivalent to 10 salads and has a 98% absorption rate. The last danger is fitness for the masses. Health and fitness is unique to everybody's body type, experience level, nutrition, and health history. By marketing to millions of followers at once, including inexperienced users, people could be doing more harm than good. For example, users may include a novice runner looking for endurance exercises, an intermediate weightlifter looking for ways to advance their workout, a middle-aged woman trying to lose weight, or seniors searching to improve their lifestyles. Some users may run into soreness or fatigue after their workouts, but not everyone is so lucky. A popular Instagram influencer, Kayla Itsines, began marketing her bikini body guide to her 12.5 million followers, and a couple followers spoke out about their experiences. A YouTube vlogger warns, on Instagram, it's made to seem like this guide works for everyone, and that everyone has positive experiences, but no one talks about how dangerous it can be. One of Kayla's followers, Samantha Lego, spoke to Business Insider about her life-altering experience with the workout guide. This is her story. In 2017, Samantha was shown Itsines' bikini body guide by a college friend. Lego was quickly drawn in by the fitness community that Itseens had created. When she began the program, she immediately noticed a difference in her physical appearance. All of her results seemed positive until she realized a change in her mental health. Lego began to panic when she ate food that was not suggested on Itseens' plan, and would force herself to throw up when she consumed the quote-unquote bad food. Once Lego realized the damage she was inflicting on her mental health, she decided to unfollow Kayla Itseens altogether and no longer follows any fitness accounts that make her feel bad about herself. Itseens may have good intentions for helping women to become stronger and healthier, but by posting numerous photos of herself, it can have a harmful effect on her followers. I decided to take a look at just a few of the thousands of comments Itseens receives every day under her photos. Things like, "Help me, I want to look like you, I wish I was skinny, how do you always look so good, can I have your motivation, and I will never have a body like you." In the end, it is Instagram's responsibility to keep its users safe from physical and mental harm while using the platform. Here are 4 potential solutions I came up with. An increase in professional social media presence, Instagram requiring some kind of proof of valid certification, and a verification symbol for health and fitness professionals only, and Instagram warning pop-ups when a user is on a scam-likely page. And lastly, as social media users, how can we help? Unfollow any influencers that make you feel bad about yourself. Try your best to contact a professional if you would like to begin an online workout plan. And finally, listen to your body because no one knows it better than you. Thank you for listening. Any questions?